Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making 2 juices. For the first drink, you need 1 chayote. Peel and cut into small pieces and put it into a pitcher with water. This drink improves the body's antioxidants and lowers your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. You should drink it once a day for 1 week. The second juice is a gut-friendly green juice. It will lower your cholesterol, cleanse the liver and the kidneys. You will need 1 chayote, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 pack of parsley, 1 lime, and 1 piece of ginger. Drink 1 glass per day for 7 days. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, A, and B9, also known as folate, as well as many other antioxidants which help reduce the risk of health issues. Cucumbers are anti-inflammatory, can regulate digestion, and hydrate the body. Green apple promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut and is high in fiber content. Thank you for your support I'll see you in the next one.